The oldest traces of tattoos were found on mummified bodies that lived in Egypt between 3351 and 3017 BC. In this video, we talk about the tattoo machine, how to set it up, and how to use it properly. I'm Yasin and this is Animatic channel. The machine we're reviewing is a traditional linear tattoo machine. These classic machines are not the best for amateurs, but a lot of tattoo artists prefer them. Linear machines have a shorter front spring compared to shader machines and use a single needle to inject the ink. Now let's see how we can set it up. First, insert the tube and the tip in the grip, and then tighten the screws using an Allen key. Then place this entire assembly on the tattoo machine and fix it with screws. Now it's time to place the grommet in the armature bar head. Pass the needle through the center of the grip and the tube. Finally, use the elastic band to keep the needle in its place. Make sure that the needle's head is around 1 mm outside the tip. If it's not correct, loosen the Allen screw and adjust the tube up and down. A power supply is used to provide and control the machine's input voltage. The higher the voltage, the quicker and stronger the needle will move. Usually, a voltage between 8 and 9 volts is enough. The power supply has two outputs, one that connects to the machine with a spring clip, and another one that goes to the pedal. Tattoo artists usually control the machine with a pedal or a button on the power supply. When the button is pressed, electric coils repeatedly attract and release the armature bar. But how is the design formed on the skin? The skin is made of 3 layers, called the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The tattoo ink should reach the dermis layer. The needle repeatedly goes up and down, making holes in the skin and eventually puts the ink inside the dermis. But why doesn't the body's immune system destroy the ink as a foreign object? Imagine that your finger is bruised. Because your skin is damaged, bacteria and other microbes find their way underneath your skin. Your body tasks special cells called macrophages with destroying those microbes. Macrophages follow foreign objects to swallow and digest them. They do come for the tattoo ink in the middle layer of the skin too, but since the ink droplets are larger than a macrophage, They can't be destroyed and are left as is. The needle's tip should reach the proper layer of the skin, and the artist should sterilize their tools and hands, otherwise the design may end up looking unclear. There is also a great risk of infections and wounds.